Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am Ajay Chauhan, has invited Suyash Kataria as a guest speaker to share his viewpoint on the topic: Should companies focus on their profit or purpose? So, hello Suyash, how are you doing today?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you for asking. So, Suyash, according to you, should companies prioritize profit or purpose in today's business world?
So I believe that both are very important, but profit is good for them for short term, but purpose is uh, good for long term, because with purpose companies can sustain in long term period. But profit is also important. That profit, without profit, companies cannot pay salaries. They cannot invest in innovations and all.
Okay. So, that's quite a good point. So, why is purpose important for a company's long-term success?
So, with purpose, companies will get customers' loyalty, trust, and which eventually leads them to profit.
So, can focusing on purpose can help a company to be more profitable in the future?
Yeah, obviously, companies with which companies have purpose in their strategies,
Okay.
which eventually lead, because they get customers loyalty, they get reputed in market, so customers tend to buy them with reputed companies,
Okay.
with rather than which companies don't have their loyalty or reputation.
So, according to you, what do you think? If company will only focus on profit, then what will happen?
So yeah, if companies will only focus on profit, it will beneficial for them for short term, but eventually companies won't be financially stable without profit, because they have to pay salaries, they have to invest in innovation.
So, to conclude our conversation, can you give one example of a company that balances both profit and purpose?
So yeah, there is a very good example of Tata Group.
Okay.
So you know that Tata is very ethical, and they invest in their in reputations, and also they are very profitable in Indian market. They are the one of the most profitable companies in India. So they work on their purpose also with the profit.
So, thank you so much, Suresh, and thank you, listeners, for giving us your valuable time. And I hope you like our conversation. Thank you.